Why am I into flat Earth? And why am I into the historical narrative that we've been fed by the governments being completely false?
Will he give us a sensible explanation for those two questions? Let's have a closer look.
Good morning. Aloha from Florida.
Once again, it's Aloha from Florida, and the video today he calls Theories of Everything, and this video is 5 minutes long. I will show the complete video, and in this video he shows that he's a complete conspiracy nutcase.
So I'm just going to share my thoughts with you on the theories of everything. Theories, plural. Lots of theories about everything.
And I'm sure that it will be really, really stupid.
Some things we just simply don't know. We may never know. It'll just always be a mystery more than likely.
Yes, reality and science is a mystery for flat earth fools like you.
Some things we can know. And those of you who are into seeking and finding the truth, congratulations, you are on quite a ride.
Or more likely, on a fast track to stupidity.
The last few years, as more and more knowledge is increasing. I think the book of Daniel talks about that. That knowledge will increase.
Believing flat earth nonsense is not knowledge, it's pure stupidity.
Truth will increase. Knowledge is not just facts or information, it's truth, like true facts, true information. Most of what you get from the news, whether it be radio or TV or print media, is misinformation. It's false. It's outright blatant lies is what most of it is.
Of course, you have to be critical when you watch news, read the news, look at YouTube videos and so on. But in your case, you want it all to be fake to fit your narrative.
Some of it might be true, but it's just about bullshit. It's about entertainment or things that just don't matter. And you have millions of people looking for meaning in their lives with things that are meaningless.
Like flat earth.
Why am I into flat earth?
Because you're a science and reality denying fool.
And why am I into the historical narrative that we've been fed by the governments being completely false?
So they are lying about our history too. Do you have any evidence for that?
Why am I into researching, architecture everywhere across the surface of our flat earth?
You don't do any research at all. All you do is spreading silly, silly conspiracies.
Because who we were, if we can get a greater, little clearer understanding on that, it might help us understand who we are and where we're headed. I don't know, maybe not.
Of course we can learn from history, but you don't believe in our history.
But theories of everything. We got flat earth.
Flat earth is pure stupidity without any evidence at all.
We got the giant trees that have been cut down everywhere.
Giant trees. Any evidence for that claim?
We've got giant buildings with giant doors, with giant weapons and giant musical instruments.
And where are those giant buildings, giant weapons and giant music instruments?
Made by giants.
Do you believe Santa is real too?
And yet we're told by the government institution called the Smithsonian that no, we don't have any records of giants. Those are dinosaur bones.
So dinosaurs is fake. Who is surprised? And one more thing, 95% of Earth population don't live in the US. You flat earthers in the US believe that US controls it all. Sorry to tell you, but that's not the case.
Okay, so people are waking up to at least gaining some discernment of knowing truth and lies when they hear it.
When I listen to you, I hear a lot of claims without any evidence at all. You can also call it lies.
So we got flat earth, we got the giant architecture and the giants, we've got the giant trees.
No, we got none of those.
We've got the dome or the rakia or the firmament or the sky plane, the barrier, whatever it is, over us, that nobody's getting out of here.
And there are no dome. Space is not fake, and it have been proven time after time after time.
Elon Musk is not going anywhere. They might be mapping it, or they're more than likely they're just putting on a show so that people will continue to look up there. Hey, look up there, look up there. Don't look out there beyond the ice wall. Don't go exploring out in the huge Pacific Ocean for another piece of land. Yeah, there's more than likely, and this is just one of the theories of everything, more land, a lot more land, way more than what we know about with our few continents here in the center.
On those secret continents are the unicorns who serves you beer.
So, electricity and magnetism. How about theories and truth and information and facts about that? That there is free energy everywhere, all around us, and a civilization here before us knew how to access it and harness it and control it and store it. And here we are paying for fuel. Here we are paying for electricity when the technology exists for it to be free for all of humanity.
Free energy sounds great, but the only problem is it's a big lie, as usual from you flat earthers.
So, theories of everything, lots and lots of things to be looking into. Whatever grasps your interest the best or the strongest, go, dig, seek, and find. All of us need to be doing that more and more, because as a collective consciousness, if you will, when one person starts learning it and getting truth about a certain subject, and sharing that with others, the ripple effect starts, and that's what's happened with Flat Earth.
Flat Earth is pure nonsense.
They tried to slow it down with all the misinformation online, and they're still trying to slow it down. And maybe they slowed it down, but they can't stop it, because it's a simple, observable, measurable, repeatable fact of our existence, that the Earth is an intelligently designed, enclosed, electrical, topographical, stationary.
I have watched all your videos and you haven't done any research at all. You haven't made any demonstrations. You haven't tried anything by yourself. You're only spreading your fantasies and your lies to your followers.
Plain. So, theories of everything, whichever theory, even if you think of it right now as a conspiracy theory, but if it shows interest or if it grasps your mind and grasps your imagination, go for it. Look into it, dig into it, see what other people are saying about it, and don't ever get caught in the trap of a cult. Our culture is full of cults.
There are many conspiracies and many cults, and you have fallen for one of the most silly ones, Flat Earth.
Of listening to just one person or one teacher or one side of any argument. Now, when it comes to Flat Earth, there's no argument, there's no debate. The so-called alleged authorities, the astrophysicists, the astronomers, they are well-versed in pseudoscience nonsense, and that's all. There's no debate, there's no argument on whether or not the surface of our Earth is a level topographical stationary plane. That's fact. It's observable, measurable, repeatable. Again, something you can know, not something you have to believe. So, anyway, that's enough rambling today. Whatever piques your interest, learn more about it and share it with others. Have a good day. God bless.
Is it anyone who believes this man? A grown-up man sitting in his car telling fairy tales and lies. He talks about making your own research and so on, but he have never presented any kind of experiments or observation or anything by himself. He only repeat what he heard on other fools on other flat earth channels. And it's quite obvious that he thinks he's smarter than the rest of us. Oh dear. Last week, 4 kamikaze drones was delivered to the troops in Ukraine, all thanks to you. Thank you everybody helping me, helping Ukraine. All revenues from this channel goes for buying drones, and if you donate using PayPal, it goes for buying kamikaze drones. So thank you once again. Aloha from Florida is a typical flat earther. He's not only into flat earth, he's into giant trees, giants on earth, giant buildings, secret history that are covered up by the evil government and so on. It's nonsense, and I'm quite surprised that people believes this liar, because He is a liar. He have no evidence for any of his claims. But who is surprised? He is a flat earther. I hope you liked this video. I will be back soon. Thank you for looking at my videos. If you liked it, please subscribe, hit like, or just come back next time I'm showing you a video. Have a nice day. Bye.